tayo ng skinless sweet longganisa. I've never tried this recipe before, so ito try natin. May pork po tayo dito. My oil, my paprika, my brown sugar. I'm using the light brown sugar. Some people use the darker brown sugar. And cornstarch, pepper, salt, and ang pinaka-importante, garlic, minced garlic. Ito ang pinaka-main. Siyang magpapalasa sa gagawin po natin. So I have my 2.5 pounds of this is a lot of ground pork. So we're gonna go ahead and put all the ingredients. I already picked up my foil too. I don't have any of that cling wrap, so I'm gonna use this. So first, yung 12 or 16 tablespoons of brown sugar. Sounds like a lot, but we have a lot of meat here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It sounds a lot, but I don't think it's a lot because of the meat. Tapos, a teaspoon of salt.
So, we're gonna eyeball everything on this one. Just so that you know, Himalayan salt is a lot saltier than the regular salt, so what I'm doing on that one is I'm gonna cut probably half. Instead of putting 8 teaspoons, I'm gonna put 4 teaspoons because Himalayan salt is very salty. I think that's good enough.
Okay, now we're gonna be putting the paprika. We need 7 to 8 teaspoons of paprika. Not tablespoon, it's a teaspoon, so it's right here. Cut it open. I should have opened it before I start this video, but that's okay. We'll survive. Okay, paprika is 7 to 8, so I'll put 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's our 7 teaspoons of paprika, and put 4 teaspoons of black pepper.
Again, I only have this. I don't have the actual one in the can. We're using a fresh one, so I'm gonna eyeball everything from this too, okay? Okay, we have a friendly fly coming around, which I don't like fly.
Okay, so I'm back with my vinegar. How much we need on the vinegar? So 7 to 8 teaspoons of vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna put 7. I'm not gonna put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 of that. Didn't I just say 7? But you know what? That's okay. 7 to 8 teaspoons of vinegar anyway. So What's next is our cornstarch. Our cornstarch, we need 8 tablespoons. So we're gonna get rid of the sugar from this. So 8 tablespoons. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have our 8 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then now we're gonna put 8 tablespoons of water. So I'm gonna go get my water here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tablespoons of water, and what else do we need here? And then we're gonna need our garlic, which is this one right here. We're back. So now we're gonna put some cooking oil. We're not gonna put a lot because we already get some fat from the pork. I'm gonna put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we have it. Now we're going to mix it. Get all the stuff on the side.
I'm going to form it into Longganisa. So hopefully we have all the right ingredients in here, because this is my first time making them. And I'm pretty sure you can cook this right away. You don't need to freeze it, but a lot of times it's better if you freeze it because it will make a nice form. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it in all the right.
Okay guys, so we're back. We are done mixing it. Ito na po yung longganisa natin. We're just gonna have to wrap it. So what I'll do is use my spray, a little bit of oil, and then lagay na natin yan dyan. Ganyan lang po. Tapos po-form po natin siya. Just like so. Okay. And you can just fold it on each end. So we're gonna be doing this using auto foils that we have here, and we're gonna freeze it. Okay, but the leftovers, I'm gonna cook it for dinner. You don't really necessarily have to freeze it, but it's better pag nag-form siya. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with my longganisa. We put about a tablespoon and a half. Maybe this is more than this, probably like 2 tablespoons. So just wrap it up, fold each end, just pinch it, and just like that. Don't mind, my hands are clean. I washed them. You know what you guys can do too is steam them before you fry them, so be nice and intact. In fact, that's what I might have to do so that it will have that nice form. Okay, fold that and fold that. You don't put too much. This is a very thick version of skinless Longganisa. You can make it smaller if you want. Like a lot of people would go very thin like this, and then they make it longer. Okay, and then they wrap it. That's how thin some of the people are doing, but I'd like to make it this way because I'm used to looking at a bigger, fatter Longganisa instead of the skinner Longganisa. So we go with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one up, and I will be right back when everything is. Okay, yan po. Nalutuin na po natin yung longganisang skinless. This is my leftovers from what I wrapped with the foil. So I put a little water in there. Tapos hayan natin lalabas yung mga mantika niya, taba niya. And let's see how it tastes. Ayan po siya, nagsisimmer lang po, is on a medium heat right now. So let's probably cook it for 2 or 3 minutes, and we will check it, see if we can flip it already. Okay, there you go guys. Here's our longganisa getting cooked. So now you guys can see it's turning to this caramelization. That's from the brown sugar. So I have some smaller one and the bigger one. I could have formed it better than that, but because I only have the foil, it turned out to be like that. So it's okay. Should be okay. You can see the garlic in there. So I'm gonna cook this one out of maybe good 2 to 3 minutes, and let's do the taste test. There you have it guys, our skinless sweet longganisa. I had some skinny ones in here, and I also have the bigger size. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it, and let's see how it tastes. Okay guys, we are now ready to taste our skinless sweet longganisa. So here I'm gonna use my hand. Magkakamay tayo. I have my white rice. I'm not gonna eat all the rice because my main thing is this, and I have my sriracha hot sauce. I'm gonna try it without the hot sauce first. Mainit. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. I just fried them. So first bite guys. You see that? Ooh, it's nice and hot. Okay, first bite. Sweet, skinless longganisa, homemade. Not bad at all. Longganisa nga. Tastes like longganisa. The only thing missing is the casing. But other than that, try natin with hot sauce. Other than that, it tastes like this. You know, this longganisa reminds me of yung Pampanga longganisa, the skinless sa Kapampangan, sa Pampanga longganisa. I like it. I think I like it without the sriracha sauce. I just eat it like this. Perfect. I think next time I make this, I'm gonna put more garlic. I like it more garlicky than this. But other than that, everything went well with all the stuff that we put in there. Wow. Ay, in fairness, masarap siya. Pwede itong maging kwan. Business. This is perfect to siya sa mga kwan, mga kaibigan. For Christmas or any holidays. Longganisa. Sarap talaga siya. Oh my god, this reminds me of Philippines. Yung matatabang longganisa, kaya lang wala siyang casing. Yun ang lasa niya eh. Saka yung mga nabibili sa Pampanga na longganisa, yung matamis. Ay, masarap. There you have it, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
My channel. Please don't
Aloha.
forget to like, share,
Salamat
and subscribe. Aloha, much mahalo. Salamat po. Enjoy the longganisa. Alright. God bless.